Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a front lip install on an 8th gen Si Coupe. This lip is from Ikon Motorsports and it was painted by one of our close friends, Francis. I'll leave all of their information in the description, but let's get into the install. All right, so these guys actually made the job even easier by pre-drilling the holes. You can see one right here. So this should go seamless. So here are the pre-drilled holes on the side of the bumper. It's pretty clean. Should fit pretty well.
So the method we're gonna put the stuff in is the bolt, the washer, and then another washer, and then the nut.
Okay, and then what about the tools that we're gonna be using?
I'm gonna be using a socket wrench.
All right.
And a wrench.
All right, let's get to work, bro. All right, so this is gonna be the first mock fit. Oh my gosh, it looks way better. It really looks, this looks really clean, bro.
All right.
Yeah, it looks really clean.
I'm good on this side. I'm good. Let's go.
Dude, this looks way more aggressive.
Yeah, I'll put it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Side view of it. Wow. Gives it a little bit of a wider appearance. This looks really good. They're gonna use double-sided 3M tape to make sure it has an extra layer of security so that it doesn't just fall off, but looks like we're gonna have to take off the lip this time again. So we lined the front lip on the top edge with double-sided 3M, so it's almost ready to get put onto the car. Look at the technique of this young man.
Give me the tools. I'm busy, bro. Oh, look, it's not
It's not going.
I'm taking it off. I see it falling off.
Oh, dude, Alex, this is not good, bro. Okay, so the tape isn't working too well right now. Let's see what we can do.
Yeah, see, it's not even sticking to the... Yeah, Alex, we can't do this.
All right, so we're doing plan B. We're just gonna end up taking the full front bumper off because it probably would be easier. So, yeah, he stalls too much. So to remove the front bumper, there's two areas in the engine bay that you have to unscrew. This is the one of them, and then this is the second side. And then we have Alex working on the side nuts and bolts. All right, so.
Oh no, there's a zip tie here.
Oh wow.
You can cut the zip tie, Alex.
Well, we have what is it called?
I'll hold it up on this side, but you gotta cut the zip tie.
Turns out a zip tie is holding the bumper, so gotta cut that off right now.
I cut the fender liner, right? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
already
it's
messed
pretty
up.
messed up, yeah.
Oh, you getting it, bro. Your angle's bad. Yeah. Leave it right there here.
Bumper is off, so it's a full race car right now, man. Look at that. This is a second method. We're just gonna try to put it onto the bumper, and it's detached.
On my side?
Alex trying to do his side.
No? Good?
It's good? Wow. All right.
Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to do the bolt? Do one bolt up top, yeah. Do the top bolt and nut. Pull up slowly. Pull up and then press as you go behind it.
So here's how the front bumper looks with the lip.
Is it going pretty easy, Alex? Oh,
Looks really good, man.
Ripped it?
Oh my god. We had a lot of tribulations, but we're bringing it over. Hopefully this is it for it. Ooh.
It goes above the headlight bracket. The light bracket. Okay. Yep. Higher. It needs to go above. I'm gonna hit the sides. Yep. That's good. And the same thing on this side. Oh, take out the screw. Your screw, it's still screwed in over there, remember? Here, here's a screwdriver.
Alright, so that's going to conclude the Ikon front lip install on the 8th Gen Si Coupe. The install is kind of all over the place, but hopefully you guys still like that video. See you guys in the next upload.